Meghann from Grissom Library. Today I'd like to show you how to make some fresh, homemade blueberry muffins that you can enjoy with your family. The ingredients you will need for the blueberry muffins are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 2/3 cup of canola oil, 2 eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 1 pint of blueberries. To start, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients to a large mixing bowl. And whisk it together. Next, we'll add in the milk and crack in 2 eggs. And then we'll whisk that together. So now that all of our ingredients are well mixed together, we're going to fold in our pint of blueberries, and these ingredients are optional. You can choose to add a dash of cinnamon and a teaspoon of vanilla if you like. Get in there. So now you're going to put your muffin batter into a muffin tin. You can either line it with cupcake liners, or you can prepare it with a cooking spray, which is what I've done. Now that our muffin tin is all filled and our muffins are ready to go into the oven, make sure you've preheated your oven to 350 degrees, and they're going to go in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we baked our muffins, and here they are, cool, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Now, as a variation of this recipe, I've also made a coffee cake. What you can do is make the same exact batter that you made with the muffins, and you'll top it with a streusel topping, which is a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of white sugar combined with a 1/4 cup of flour, and then you mix it together and you crumb in 2 tablespoons of butter, and you'll cover the top of the batter and bake it in the oven, and it creates this lovely coffee cake. You can make the same streusel topping and top your muffins if you'd like that as well. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that gave you some ideas of what you can do at home to make a delicious cake.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Cooking with NNPL.